Hello, and welcome to the EIE cycle titled Integrated Computer Science, Lesson 1. By engaging in this cycle, you will learn about putting computer science problems in context and introducing concepts through hands-on activities. Lesson 1 is all about making learning relevant and accessible. Have you ever felt motivated to learn about something based on a personal interest or connection? Have you needed to work with pencil and paper or physical models to really understand a concept? In each Computer Science Essentials unit, Lesson 1 kicks off with a story about a character who is facing a problem. These stories model a problem-solving mindset and capture students' interest by showing how computer science relates to their own lives. The lesson also includes an unplugged activity that introduces basic computer science concepts before working with any digital tools. This allows students to build a solid foundation without getting distracted by the details of a particular tool. Depending on the unit you've chosen, you and your learners might be directing robots, creating pixel art, or even waggle dancing with honeybees. Be sure to allow this video to reach the end. Then move on to the Reflect section of this cycle, where you will explore Lesson 1. Check out the Other Resources section below for more information.